3CHD 4. 3 is 2003. CH. Let me go see what this guy said again, guys. Hold on a minute. Now, don't be upset.
He has evolved.
So mine is 3CH.
Here. This tag provides a lot of information. The first character 4 denotes production year 2004.
So mine is a 3.
The next two, C and K, indicate it was paired to a 5.3 liter engine. D means
Did I have a
4L60E. There is more info.
KC. Did I have a C? Hold on. I had a 4 is 2004, so I had a, come on camera, I had a, don't know what I had. It says 3CHD4. Well, there's 5 on this one. So it's 3CHD4. Wow. 3CHD4. I have no way out of it. CHD. I see a CD, but that 3C is throwing me off, so it don't make no difference. It don't make no difference. I have no idea what it is. He said we want to see what we want to identify with, that we should go to his video. Identifying engines, transmissions, but I'll do that later. So let's go ahead and finish up what he's doing here.
On the tag, and if you want to learn more about identification, watch my video entitled 4L60E Design Changes and Tags. The 4L60E has evolved since its introduction in 1992, and even though I use only this 2004 version for demonstration, I will discuss earlier and later variations. Our star is special on the inside.
Let's go. He's going to identify some parts. You know, some tools.
You'll need these tools: a small screwdriver, 8mm 1/4" socket, 13 and 15mm sockets, a Torx Plus bit, 3/8 to 1/2" adapter, a few extensions, ratchets, a 15mm wrench, flat file, gloves, safety glasses, and a small box.
Okay.
I know this is technically a transmission removal topic, but disconnecting the cooling lines can be frustrating.
I did not have those tools, but I have them, but I don't have them laid out like he's got his. Maybe I should lay them out. I will put my tools over. But he's getting ready to explain how to take out the transmission lines now. So what, I'm not going to go through all that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward that because I've already taken the transmission line out. You guys can learn how to do that later on. Let's see. So the next thing he's going to do is, that I'm getting ready to do, is take off the bell housing.
But you can damage it So here's another tip.
I've already taken mine off.
You need to file the selector shaft in this area, or the switch will be ruined as you try to slide it off of the shaft. I also recommend not attempting to unplug the wiring harness. Sometimes the connectors are glued to the switch,
Okay.
so it's better to leave the entire assembly together under the vehicle. Let's remove the 13mm bolt here.
Okay, I've already done my selector switch. I've already taken my selector switch off. I did not do any filing or anything like that, but it is off. And oh, you can't see that, can you? I need some light over here. Anyway, I've already taken it off, so we're gonna go past that. You guys take that off. I've already taken mine off. You see where he's filing it and everything, so go ahead on and do that. Get it off. Check his video out. He'll show you how to do it. I'm not really showing you how to do anything. I'm just following along what he's
The
doing.
special torque style bit I mentioned in lesson 1.
Okay, I got my bit.
It's a Torx Plus 50 IP bit. The Sonex part number is 77000HBK.
I already got
I
mine.
pressed
Got
mine into a 3/8 drive Craftsman brand bit holder.
I got mine off of Amazon.
To get the
I
belt
might put the
off,
link in the description
put the
below.
tool on a 3/8 to
I
half
might
inch
not,
adapter.
so mine is already
Get
ready
a
to go.
10-inch or longer half-inch extension and ratchet.
All right, now
Make sure you wear gloves to protect your hands because this edge is very sharp.
he's getting ready to take it off now, guys. So the first thing to do is to take these things off.
These bolts are torqued pretty tight, so you may need to use a cheater pipe like I do sometimes.
All right, I'm pausing
You
it.
may also need someone to help hold the transmission in place or even resort to clamping it to the workbench.
All right, here we go, guys. That's the first thing we're going to do. We are going to take off the bell housing. And I'm going to stop the video here and start the video at the bell housing. And we'll get back with you in just a second.